Welcome to the suites at Fairmont Resort Makati. The rooms here are very large and very luxurious. They've got several smart TVs, nice chandeliers, good views over Makati Avenue and the Makati Business District. Let's go and have a look at the rest of the suite. Let's go and have a look at the main area. As we go in, you've got another TV, and then we've got a very large king-size bed, which is very comfortable. You've got an office desk if you need to do a little bit of work. You've got a lounge there also, some bedside tables, another view out to Makati and the business district. Then we come across, you've got a very large cupboard space with lots of hanging area. You've got a yoga mat, an umbrella. Let's go and have a look at the outstanding bathroom here at Fairmont. Here we have the matching basins and a separate shower and toilet area. Then we come across and we have a big bath and some very soft, large bath towels. Then, of course, at the Fairmont, we have the products of the Rose 31. Outstanding.